Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about Trissola Chia smoothing oil. What this is a serum or smoothing oil for your hair. It has a ton of benefits, and I've tried like several things to keep my hair frizz-free and smooth, and this finally basically really did the trick for me. So just a little bit about this. The description is this is a lightweight serum that absorbs instantly to hydrate, to nourish, and to protect the hair while enhancing its shine, manageability, health, and beauty. It is high in antioxidants, proteins, essential fatty acids, and omega-3s. The benefits are the powerful chia seed proteins, vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 to help hair flourish. Suggested use: just dispense a few drops to your palms and distribute evenly through damp hair. So this actually comes in a nice little purple box, and then it just says Chia Smoothing Oil by Trissola. I have thrown it out, but this is like the smaller container, but they have the larger one, which is 2 ounces. So the directions: disperse a few drops to your palms and distribute evenly through damp or dry hair. For all hair types. Warning: avoid contact with eyes for external use. Ingredients are dimethicone, cyclotetracyclohexane, cyclopentasiloxane, C1215 alkyl benzoate, salvia hispanica chia seed oil, saprolic/capric, triglyceride, panthenol fragrance, and yellow 11. Made by Envy Professional in Sherman Oaks, California. Phone number is 1-877-408-2234. Made in the USA, and their website is trissola.com. And I love the label. It's so pretty, like the purple, the dark purple with the light purple with the white. Really nice, very classy looking. It's a 0.5 ounce or 15 milliliter container. Honestly, by the way, you only need like the smallest amount, because if you add too much, then it's just gonna be too much, and it can make your hair like look oily and stuff like that. But this product is it's amazing, and a little bit really goes a long way. So this smells really good. It smells good to the point where like you want to eat it. You know, it's just amazing. I'm just really great. I'm grateful actually that it's good on my baby hair, because I have like these like little flyaway baby hairs. It kind of like keeps them back and keeps them mixed in with my other hair, if that makes sense. It doesn't make them like fly away and stand out. It absorbs in a way that isn't greasy, but like I said, if you overdo it, then it will be greasy, but you just need a little teeny bit, and I definitely need this hair. So it smells great. You just put a couple drops into your hair and comb it through the bottom half. I don't really concentrate on the roots at all, just mainly the bottom hair where you could get split ends and stuff like that. But actually, when I went to go get my hair cut, the stylist told me my hair was a lot healthier, and I think it was definitely from using the smoothing oil, and you could easily find it online and in stores. So definitely the best oil for my hair that I've used. Silky smooth, lasts all day. I'm going to open this up because I want to show you guys. So this is what the product looks like. It's just oils. It has like a slightly yellowish color to it. You guys can see it's nice and light. Literally, this is all you need for your hair. Watch, I'm going to show you. That's it. One little quick thing like that, that'll last you all day long. And definitely concentrate on the ends. I do, at least, because I'm like I feel like I'm prone to split ends just from like blow drying and using heat and stuff on my hair. Like I really need to use a product at all times to kind of keep my hair from getting even more damage from the heat. The blow dryer, the curling iron, the hair straightener, you name it. I use it all the time to style my hair, and you need something to definitely protect it. So this oil smells amazing, keeps your hair looking great, and it smells good all day long. It kind of lasts, and it's non-greasy. And my hands are always super soft after applying it to my hair, and just it's so nice having the the oil is the anti-aging treatment. It has powerful seed proteins, vitamins, minerals, omega-3s. It's just an amazing, amazing product. So This is Chia Hair Smoothing Oil by Trissola, great for guys and girls alike. And I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching. See you later.